Namaste friends, welcome to another video from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Stan, your host and host. Today we are going to talk about a very important skill that most freelancers or almost all freelancers need, but many of us ignore that skill a lot. And after working for a few years, we realized that this is something that we could have improved on or could have learned at the start of our career. Okay, and it would have actually helped our career to grow much faster. Now, what is that skill? You must have read from the title of this video that I'm talking about copywriting. Copywriting is one of the most essential things in the life of a freelancer. Okay, how is it essential? Whatever you write, whenever you write, or suppose you are creating a gig on Fiverr, I'm just giving an example. You have to write the gig in a way that within those few seconds that the browser or the uh, buyer is browsing through the gig page or search results, within those few seconds he can read your gig, he can read the title, he can check your image on which you have written something, and based on that he makes a decision whether to click on that gig or not, whether to work with you or not. Right, that initial thing that comes to the buyer's mind actually comes from the title of your gig and the picture or the image that you create on your Fiverr gig. So that is an example. Whatever you write, actually, what we mean by copywriting. So understand this, that even if you're creating a gig on web designing or coding or some kind of content writing, your copywriting or your title is one of the major things that decides whether your gig is going to sell or not. Okay, so copywriting is very important, like I said. And if you can write the title of your gig in a better way, or you can write the correct words in the image of your Fiverr gig, then your chances of getting that particular job is much higher than somebody who does not know about copywriting, how to write something precisely or perfectly so that it hits the right chords, and the buyer, the browser, the person who's going through all this list of gigs on Fiverr, he decides to get your gig and not something else, right? So that is the baseline of copywriting. Now in this video I'm not going to talk about what is copywriting or how you can improve. There are a lot of things that you can actually go through. Probably I'll search for a couple of free courses or free, you can say, content for copywriting, where they will show you or they will probably teach you how to start copywriting or how to learn copywriting. And I'll try to get those free content in the description, so check the description, you'll get some links. But if I'm not talking about what is copywriting, what I'm talking about in this video I'm talking about how copywriting is important for a freelancer. If you're a freelancer, if you're watching this video, or if you want to start your career on freelancing, this content or this idea that I'm giving you is going to help you a lot. Okay, so before we move ahead, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you're an old friend who's already watching my videos, please like this video and write down something in the comment section so that I know that you are watching and you are here. Okay, thanks a lot for doing this. These things that you do helps me and my videos, because YouTube actually looks for videos which have more likes, more comments, and more engagement, right? You know that. All right, so thanks for that. Thanks for watching the video, thanks for liking it, and thanks for commenting with your questions and whatever suggestions that you have. All right, so moving ahead, I gave you an example of writing the gig title on Fiverr, okay, and how copywriting can help you in writing a correct gig. Now, it is not only limited to somebody who's selling their gig on Fiverr, okay, it's not. Suppose you're a blogger, okay, you're just a content creator. For someone who is a content creator, it is of utmost importance that he writes the content in a precise manner, and so that, like I said, it hits the right chords. Now, somebody searches on Google and lands on your blog, he will want to get that information that he's looking for in a very straight manner, in the sense, very, like I said, it has to be point to point. If he's looking for something and he has to go through your content for like 20 minutes and then find that particular thing that he's looking for in a small corner, then that's not going to make him come back to your blog. Okay, he will not like coming back to your blog or reading new content, probably. That's how it works. Now, when you learn copywriting, when you know what copywriting is, when you know um, what exactly you should write, okay, how you should target your customers, how you should do the market research of your target customers, and when you know some tactics like the IDA method, AIDA, so all these things are there. If you learn these things, the way you will write the blog post or the way you will decorate your blog post, that will ensure that more people come and visit your blog, and also whoever is coming and visiting already, they also return to your blog for more content. Okay, very very important. Now that is for someone who's actually doing content writing. So content writing has to go through your copywriting also, because the title that you write, the headlines that you make, the footer, the conclusion, all those things are very very important in writing a blog, right? Okay, now let's talk about someone who's not creating that kind of content. Like someone, suppose he's an YouTuber. So if you are a YouTuber, if you have a YouTube channel, and you must know that the title of your video, whatever you are publishing, the title of your video, or whatever you write on the thumbnail, these are again of utmost importance. Okay, so when you know the tricks of copywriting, when you know how to write the title in a precise way, in a way that YouTube promotes it, first of all. Secondly, the people who's looking those or looking at those thumbnails on the right side of the suggested videos, they also get attracted towards it. Okay, now when you talk about thumbnails are a little different, because it's not only the text that you write, it's also the image that you use. Both of them together is important for thumbnails. But then the title, the description, those are very very important for your video to rank, for your video to reach to different kinds of audiences, right? Your target audience, obviously. So copywriting is important there as well. So if you're just a YouTuber, don't think that I can go without knowing what copywriting is. I can just write whatever I want to and get my videos published. No, a lot of YouTubers actually go through these courses that you get on Udemy or some other websites, and they learn the tips and tricks of copywriting, as is very very important. Okay, it's not only important in Indian scenario, where you have this different titles of in different languages. It's also important when you are creating content for the international audience as well. Okay, so that I hope in this video I've told you almost all the important things that you should know about copywriting, and you already know how to uh, implement copywriting in the different things that you do as a online freelancer or a digital freelancer, right? All right. So I think I'll end this video here, and as I said, I'll probably drop a couple of links. I need to search. I saw one on Udemy which was free, but I think that course is not complete. So I just went through the content, but then I didn't like it too much. So maybe not that course, but something else I'll put in the description. Definitely check it out, and if you like it, please let me know in your comments as well. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you like this video, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Chan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.